This is how you eat with, man. Look at the fork here.
We don't see that.
It's a garden fork?
Yeah.
Different from yam farm.
Okay, because
Maybe there.
You know,
I think they know. A big fork they used to, you know. You understand?
the yam oil.
Yam oil.
It's a garden thing.
God damn. Guys, what's up? We're planting fertile soil. We're planting some free shipping coupon all over the internet. Join our social media platform so you can get some of the free shipping coupons. Right? Become a platinum member. Just go to your profile, click on free shipping coupon, then click join, and you're going to get some free coupons. We're here with the dealer. One of our original customers is our husband. What are you doing, sir? Your wife is one of our original customers. So, I have to come greet you officially. Okay, pronounce your first name for me. Ninem. Now this is Ninem, one of our original customers' wife. I have to come big him up. We're here on the trail. You see, a while ago we planted some grass here, so we're not charge your feet. We're not gonna charge him feet. I noticed that you sign up because I see you shipping your own name. Alright. This was when we had the promotion where if you get one person to sign up, you get a free coupon, the person get a free coupon, right? You see, you saw them man are smart, take advantage, guys. When they see where I go the freeness, take the freeness. So how you like it so far?
Yeah, man, loving it, you know, because I wish my wife was on it, so now we can do really well. So,
You just
I'm
join
the
it.
journey as well.
You see, guys? There's a link somewhere here. Click on the link. I'm going back to some farming. Just tell them bye-bye to me, please. Alright guys, next year you're gonna get some of the yam we mega plant right at the front of the yard. Yeah, so later.